Hey everyone, welcome back to RostyMaths. Today, we're diving into the world of geometry and tackling a fundamental question. How do we find the area of a circle in centimeters? It might seem a bit tricky at first, but fear not. By the end of this short video, you'll be a circle area calculation pro. Let's get started. To find the area of a circle, you need just two things, the radius and the formula. The formula for the area of a circle is A equals pi times r squared. Now, let's break that down. A stands for area, pi is a mathematical constant approximately equal to 3.14159, and r is the radius of the circle. Now, let's say we have a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. Plug that into our formula, A equals 3.14 times 5 squared. A equals 3.14 times 25. That gives us an area of 78.5 square centimeters. So, the area of a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters is 78.5 square centimeters. Quick tip. Always remember to square the radius before multiplying it by pi. It's a common mistake to forget that step, but not anymore. Now, armed with this knowledge, you can find the area of any circle. Whether you're working on a math problem or just curious about the world around you, the circle area formula is your key to unlocking the mysteries of circles. And that's a wrap for today's quick tutorial on finding the area of a circle here on RostyMaths.